Good afternoon, everyone. For this video, we will discuss the nutrients, the functions, and recommended intake together with our group members. So here's are the objectives of our reports. From the word nutrients, we all know that it is needed to our body to provide energy. So unsa pamdaylaing mga benefits ani nga nutrients? So nutrients are chemical substances found in food that are required by the body to provide energy, give the body structure, and help regulate chemical processes. So, nakaibaw na ta na ang usa ka benefit sa duha ka benefits nga sa nutrients is kanang siya mo'y maka-help sa tong body para mas ma-regulate ang chemical processes nga nasa tong lawas. Diyan siya hinungdan nga nung natay body structure. So, munang importante kayong nutrients sa tong lawas. Na and there are some students kana bitaw kanang kung gamay kag gikaon nga nutrients, gamay kang food nga gamay kay nutrients sa iyang food, well kana ang ma-impact yun ana is imong the way ka interact sa other, dili kay ka active, wala kay energy sa tanan, munang dili kay ka makipag halubelo sa uban. So mo nang ang nutrients is importante gid sa tong lawas. So ang nutrients na classifications of nutrients, that ang mao na ang macronutrients and micronutrients. Sunsun di kalainan aning micro o macronutrients. So ang macronutrients or macro are essential nutrients the body with the needs in large quantities to remain healthy. It provides the body with energy, help prevent disease, and allow the body to function correctly. It is also needed by the body in large amounts. So mo ni ang kanay mga tao nga kana bitaw ginahan nga mas health bitaw. Healthy kay ba? Kanang ginahan ma-health, kanang mo-function ang ilang lawas, kanang ginahan healthy, kisa pa may di ginahan nga, kisa may tao nga di ginahan healthy, di ba? Tanan man jud mo nang kanang mukaon og large amounts nga mga nutrients, mga foods nga naay daghang nutrients. Then while ang micronutrients are essential dietary elements required by organism in varying quantities throughout life to orchestrate a range of psychological functions to maintain health. It is required by the body in lesser amounts. So ang kanis sa daang micronutrients is for those kanang nag-need or maintain nilang ilang healthy lifestyle, ilang physical fit, ilang kanang ginahan sila nga i-maintain nila mo nang usahay kanang nag-required sila og kanang lesser amounts sa food mo nang sa quantity sa food is mo nilang kalainan. Sa macro o sa micro kanang ang kalainan nila is ang kanang a large ang amount sa food nga ilang i-take. Pero both sila is kinahanglan sa tong lawas, pero ang kalainan na gud nila is kanang ang amounts or quantities sa food nga lang i-take. So ang kaning micro man gud is for those dietary kanang nag-diet, then kanang mas i-maintain nila ilang physical fit and health maintain din. Well, ang kanang yung macronutrients is kanang ginahan jud healthy. Healthy lang kan mo nang nag-need sila large amounts of nutrients, large amount of food nga naay daghang nutrients. So for the classifications of macro and micro, I will give it to Divine Grace kay siya man ang mo report. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Divine Grace Orat and I am assigned to report the classes of macronutrients and the micronutrients and their functions. There are 4 classes of macronutrients, which are the carbohydrates, lipids, protein, and water. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a class of macronutrients. Carbohydrates or carbs are vital at every stage of life. They're the body's primary source of energy and the brain's preferred energy source. You may consume carbohydrates from grains, vegetables, fruit, legumes, and nuts. Example of that are the rice, potatoes, green peas, carrots, squash, and some type of beans. these are just few examples of vegetables that contains carbohydrate. Next is lipid. Lipid is a class of organic compound that are fatty acid, or their derivatives are insoluble in water but soluble in other organic solvents. They include many natural oils, waxes, and steroids. Basically, lipids is another term for fat. It can be solid or liquid. Our our body requires dietary fats to function properly. Getting healthy lipids in your diet is necessary, but not all lipids will help your health. Some example of food that contains lipids are beef, chicken and turkey skin, heavy cream, butter, and bacon. So let's move on to protein. Protein helps repair and build your body tissues, allows metabolic reactions to take place, and coordinates bodily functions. It is also important for growth and development in children, teens, and pregnant women. Animal-based food tend to be good source of protein. Example of that are the meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy food. So next is water. Water is also a macronutrient in the sense that you require a large amount of it, but unlike the other macronutrient, it does not yield energy, but it helps to keep a normal temperature, lubricates and cushion joints, protect your spinal cord and other sensitive tissues. It also gets rid of waste through urination, perspiration, and bowel movements. So moving on to two classes of micronutrients. So the two classes of micronutrients are the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are micronutrients that offer a range of health benefits, including boosting the immune system, helping prevent or delay certain cancers, such as prostate cancer, strengthening teeth and bones, aiding calcium absorption, maintaining healthy skin, helping the body metabolize proteins and carbs, supporting healthy blood, and aiding brain and nervous system functioning. And then minerals. Minerals help maintain acid-base balance to keep the body pH neutral. Minerals help regulate body processes such as in enzyme systems. Minerals function in nerve impulse transmission and muscle contraction, and minerals help release energy from food.
Good day everyone, my name is Joan Corbo. I'm going to discuss about fat and water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, retinol retinoic acid, is a nutrient important to vision, growth, cell divisions, reproductions, and immunity. Vitamin A makatabang sa imong lawas para madepensahan ang mga sakit-sakit o infections. I have here the sources of vitamin A: yellow, red, and green leafy vegetables such as spinach, carrot, sweet potatoes, and red peppers. Yellow fruit such as mango and papaya. Vitamin D help the body absorb and retain calcium and phosphorus. Both are critical for building bone. Also, laboratory studies showed that vitamin D can reduce cancer cell growth, help control infections, and reduce inflammation. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Many food and supplements are fortified with vitamin D, like dairy products and cereals. Salmon, tuna, fish, orange juice, fortified with vitamin D, beef liver. Vitamin D acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from the damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin A is important to our vision. reproduction, and the health of our blood, brain, and skin. Vitamin K helps to make various proteins that are needed for blood clotting and the building bones. Vitamin K is found in green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach, vegetables oil, cereal grains. Water-soluble vitamins. Thiamine, vitamin B1, help the body generate energy from nutrients, also known as thiamine, is necessary for the growth, development, and function of cells. Thiamine is found naturally include meat, fish, and whole grains. Vitamin B12 is needed to form red blood cells and DNA. It is also a key player in the functions and development of brain and nerve cells. Vitamin B6 help the body to make antibodies. Antibodies are needed to fight many viruses, infections, and other diseases. Maintain normal nerve function. Riboflavin vitamin B2 works with the other B vitamin. It is important for body growth. It helps in red blood cell productions. It also aids in the release of energy from protein. Vitamin B5 mao ni ang usa ka importante nga vitamins for human life kay kini makatabang og convert sa imong gipangkaon with energy. Whole grains are a food good sources of vitamin B5. Dairy product, egg yolk, milk, yogurt, and milk. Legumes, lentils, and soybeans. Vegetables, mushroom, and avocado. Vitamin B3, also called niacin, plays a role in converting carbohydrates into glucose, metabolizing fat and protein, and keeping the nerve system working properly. Folate vitamin B9 is important in red blood cell formation and for healthy cell growth and function. The nutrient is crucial during early pregnancy to reduce the risk of birth defect of the brain and spine.
So, what is minerals? Mineral is a nutrient that is needed in small amount to keep the body healthy. Calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, sodium, phosphorus, and sulfur are the major minerals. Those major minerals help the body to do the following. First is balance water levels. Second, maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails. Third is improve bone health. Iron, selenium, zinc, manganese, chromium, copper, iodine, fluoride, and molybdenum are the trace minerals. Trace minerals help with strengthening bones, preventing tooth decay, aiding with blood clotting, helping to carry oxygen, supporting the immune system, and supporting healthy blood pressure.
I am Sharian Mamaya, one of the reporters from the group 2. Today, I will be the one to discuss the recommended intake. So, recommended intake or the recommended dietary intake. So, sometimes referred to as recommended intake is the average daily intake level of a particular nutrient that is likely to meet the nutrient requirements of 97 to 98% of healthy individuals in a particular life stage or gender group. So, in order for us to have dietary intake, here are some recommendations or the guide that can help us maintain the recommended dietary intake or help us to get a balance of healthier and more sustainable food. So we have the Eat Well guide. First, we have the fruit and vegetables. Second, the beans, pulses, fish, eggs, the meat, and other proteins. We have also the potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates. So lastly, we have the dairy and alternative. So the protein that we can get from that food is 10 to 35%. We have the 45 to 65% carbohydrates and 20 to 35% fat. So in order for us to maintain healthy body or healthy life, we have to follow the Eat Well guide, and then we have to maintain our recommended daily intake. That's all today. Thank you.